Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 2022, 31 variant question number 11. And if you read the question, we have given a solid figure. OA, OB, both are equal to 4. It is a very, very clear. Okay. So this is a OA, OB 4. It means OA is 4I. This is a 4I. I'm writing here. And OB is also 4I. 4J, sorry, 4J. OD is 3K. So OD is upwards. So this is 3K. Okay. And we mentioned that OB and OC is 1 unit. This is a 1 gap. This is a 1. Okay. So this is only J. Okay, only J. So what is given else? M is midpoint. Okay. And what is else given? That N is such that its condition is given. We have. And that's it. Now we start. First of all, MD. How to get MD? MD's plan is so simple. M to A, O to A to O, and D. But problem is that M to A, I don't have it. Okay. So how to get how to start from M? So can I say MA is I'm writing on the top. MA vector is a half of BA. Repeat. This vector is half of total vector. Okay. This is a way I can do it. So what is a BA? Starting from B, ending at B to O, O to A. So I can say in this one, negative 4J and plus 4I. Because going backwards and then this way. So I got it. And now I got negative. I got an order. Order means I first. I got 2I minus 2J is MA vector. Now M to A to O, O to D. So finally, I can say M to D. What's path writing? M to A to O, O to D. So M to A is 2I. Let me write again. Wait a minute. 2I minus 2J. What is AO? Going backwards. So this is negative 4I. And OD is 3K. So 3K. I'm writing order. So I is coming negative 2I, negative 2J, plus 3K is MD vector. So I believe this is clear. Okay, and I got this MD vector. So let's proceed. Wait a minute, please. Now this is okay, and okay, MD is clear. Let's talk about next part. This OD, ON. Where is N? N is here. So I must use this connection. So I'm writing it is here. I'm writing it here. So what is method? CN vector. I can write magnitude is a vector also, no problem at all. How to expand this one? You know it very well. ON minus OC. And how to expand this? OB minus ON. Expand the bracket ON minus OC equal to 2 times 2 OB minus 2 times 2 ON. ON comes here, becomes 3 ON. 2 OB, this OC goes there, plus OC. And a 3 divides, so ON becomes 1 over 3 times to this whole thing. Okay, what is a OB? OB is 4J. So I'm writing here 2 times 2, 4J. And what is OC? OC is, so how to get OC? O to D, D to C. Repeat my words, 3K and J. So I'm writing here 3K and plus J is a value of OC. I show again, this is OC, O to D, D to C. So a lot of attention required. Here I got 8J. Here I got 3K plus J. This I got 8 plus 1, 9J and 9J inside. 9J inside and 3K. Finally, I got a 0I plus 3J and plus K as a value of ON vector. So this is, yes, this is also clear. I think now we can proceed. because I got a both. So first 4 marks clear. So let's go for next plan. So I think the idea is very clear. So I just copy and drag down. So this is my first part answer. And then I do the second one also because I want to bring the attention on the question. Okay. And is it clear? And I got this is very clear. Okay. And this I have done it. So this first part is clear. Let's go for part B. And part B is asking the angle between both this MD and ON. Nothing hard for us, inshallah. ON dot MD equal to ON magnitude into MD magnitude into cos of angle between them. So this vector dots this vector, here magnitude into this. ON is a 0, 3, 1. And there's a -2, and 3. So this is squares. I'm writing 0 square is 0, 3 square 9, and 1. These squares I'm writing here. So 4 plus 9. And this direct multiply, I got a 0, I got -6 and +3, which is finally -3. Root of 10 and 13 plus 4, 17. I think clear. So root 170, I can write under 1 root even, no problem. Theta is equal to cos inverse. So this becomes -3 over root 170. So when I take a cos inverse, -3 divided by root 170. So answer is turned to be 103.3 degree because we always write 1 decimal place. So I hope so this concept is very, very clear. And let's go for the last part. Last part is asking that length of perpendicular from M to ON. From M. So wait, let me show diagram. From M to ON. Where is M? M is this. Okay, let me erase this, all this data, and then you can understand. So this is M. This is a line. Actually, this is a line. You can see this is a line. Okay, and I make it a perpendicular. So just show you. This is a 90 degree. For sure, this is a 90 degree. So, okay, this is an ON line, sorry, low N line, and this is a perpendicular. This is called F for foot of perpendicular. So if I translate in this diagram, M on the top, 90 degree, foot of perpendicular, this is O, this is N. How ON? O is here, N is here, I believe clear. And this is a foot of perpendicular and M is there. And M coordinate, I just got it. M coordinates are what? Actually, M means OM I'm looking for. What is OM? So a little bit tough because otherwise I can't solve my question. So OM, first of all, I need OM also. So O2, this is for I. And this is AM. Okay, I can go from other path also. So I think other path is okay. That is a better because I have already BM or MA, I have it. Look at students, MA. So I have MA already. So, you know, for your knowledge, MA and BM, they are exactly same. So I go for O to B, B to M. So O to B is 4J. So I'm writing 4J. And BM is same vector, which is here. 2I minus 2J. 2I minus 2J. So finally, I got 2I plus 2J plus 0K. So I got a coordinates of M 2, 2, 0 because 2, 2, 0. So I think this point is very, very clear. So I take this diagram and I shift on other page because without this diagram, we cannot do the question. So let's move on. Okay, I'm pasting here. This is the whole plan. So let's see how we can fulfill the plan. Okay. So this is for your knowledge O and ON line. So, so what is the planning? You know, the planning is MF direction. So MF vector dot line direction. Okay, for your knowledge here, ON itself a line direction. So if I say, because starting from origin, if you're starting from origin, itself ON is direction. So I'll write here AN, ON equal to 0. So this is a clear. Normally we take here B, small b stand for line direction. And here ON itself is a line direction, which is available here. So 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1. So I'm writing here 0, 3, 1. Now only MF. What is MF? Okay, I have F coordinate. How to get F coordinate? Foot of perpendicular. So foot of perpendicular, and wait a minute, please. Yeah, line equation of line ON is my task. How to get equation of line ON? So ON line, how we can get it? I just write it for you. R is equals to ON plus lambda times 2 again ON. You're surprised to know why you are writing like this, sir. Because sorry, I have to write here 0 also. Why, sir? 0, 0 origin. Because this is origin and this ON is behaving like a direction, and 0, 0 is origin. Because I said many times, when I need equation of line, I need a specific point, and 0, 0 lies on it. That is why. And ON, I just have it. ON is this one. 0, 3, 1. 0, 3, 1. So this I just take from here and I want to use it on the next. Wait a minute. Cut from here, and paste here. Okay. So this is a line actually. For your knowledge, this is a line. Which line I talk about? Line ON. So I'm writing here equation of line ON. Okay. Now standard form. How to convert standard form, students? So standard form. This is becoming 0 from here, and okay, I got 0, 3 lambda and lambda. This is called standard form. So standard form is of this. It means, can I say this is a F also? Correct. This is OF. So 0, 3 lambda and lambda. Okay, but I'm looking for MF. And what is the method MF, students? MF not hard to do. OF minus OM. And OF is coming 2 to 0. So I'm writing here 2 to 0. 2 to 0. And OM, sorry, this is a OM. And OM I have it? Yes. Sorry for that. I took wrong coordinates. OF is this. So I'm writing 0, 3 lambda and lambda. And M is 2, 2 and 0. And finally, I get what here? I got -2, 3 lambda minus 2 and lambda. MF is done. So this value, I'm going to plug in it here. So let's start. So -2, 3 lambda, -2 and lambda. Dot product, you know it very well. I get 0, 3 multiply with the both. I got 9 lambda minus 6. And this multiply, I got lambda equal to 0. 10 lambda equal to 6, and lambda becomes 2 3s and 2 5s. So I got lambda is this value, and now how to get the value of because ultimately my task is to find what, students? Length of the distance. So you know length means is starting from here till here. So M coordinates I have it, and F coordinate I will find it. How to F coordinate? Plug in this value in this to get F coordinate. So let's find. So OF coordinate turn to B. So this plug in 0, 0 remains 0, no change. This comes here, I got a 9 over 5. This plug in there, I got a 3 over 5. Done. But now for your knowledge, I have a F coordinate and M coordinate. F, I just got it now. 9 by 3 and 9 by 5. So 0, 9 over 5. 3 over 5. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. How to find distance between two coordinates, friends? So you know it very well. Length formula. And what is length formula? You know, you are aware already. X2 minus X1 whole square. Y2 minus Y1 whole square. And Z2 minus Z1 whole square. Let's apply. And what are coordinates here? 2 to 0. 2 to 0. I just write for sake of understanding. So this minus this, I got 2 minus 0 whole square. This minus this, I got 2 minus 9 over 5 whole square. This minus this, I got 0 minus 3 over 5 whole square. And root, let me type in calculator directly. In root, I'm getting 4 plus 2 minus 9 over 5 and square plus and 9 over 25. My answer is coming with me root 110 over 5. And let's see, is the same answer he's demanding from us. So yeah, okay, 1 minute, please. If I show you this answer, 22 by 5. Wait a minute, please. 22 by 5. If I root multiply up and write root for multiply down, so upper number is coming with me like this, root 22 into 5, and root will cancel, give 5 only. And this is double 2 into 5 is 110. So it means same answer. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this writing style and this writing style, so same. So I will write here 22 over 5 root. So this answer and this answers are perfectly same. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This was really a hard idea, but I hope so you got it. And question is completely